Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Japanese pork shogayaki. Pork shogayaki is stir-fried pork seasoned with ginger. You know, pork is pork, shoga is ginger, yaki is stir-fried. So stir-fried pork seasoned with ginger. Pork shogayaki is really popular here in Japan. To make it is super easy. So let's get started! For ingredients for pork shogayaki is only two. One is of course sliced pork and the other one is ginger. For sauce, we need soy sauce, mirin, sake and a little bit of sugar combined with the grated ginger. 4 steps to make it. First step is to mix the ginger sauce. And step 2 is prepare the pork. Step 3 is stir fry the pork. And the last step 4 is to season it with the ginger sauce. Really simple, isn't it? So why don't we go on to step 1, making ginger sauce. Please be sure that the meat is already out of the refrigerator at that time. To play with ginger, you can use spoon. Now the ginger is peeled, so grate it. 1.5 tablespoon of sake, same amount of soy sauce, same amount of mirin vinegar with a little bit of sugar. Yeah, now the ginger sauce is ready. So step is to prepare the pork. To prepare the pork, you can use kitchen shear. Make 4-5 cuts between the fluffy part and lean part. Then you add some pepper on that plus cornstarch. Yeah, do the same thing for the other side. Okay, finally step 2 is over. Okay, let's go on to step 3. Step 3 is to stir fry the pork. I recommend you to use sesame oil because flavor is good. Try not to pile them up. Medium heat. Turn it up. Right, great. Looks great. Yeah. Okay, nice. Then go on to step 4. Good smell! On this! Looks great, isn't it? Okay, I guess it's done. I'm gonna plate it. You know, chopped fresh cabbage is good. Wow! Yeah, that's it. Pork shogayaki, stir-fried pork seasoned with ginger is ready to eat. Well, thanks for watching. Pork shogayaki is easy to make, so why don't you try? And if you like this video, please put the thumbs up button and subscribe. Leave some comment down below. Alright, thank you. Arigato. See you soon.